If you drive a bigger truck and you use it to pull a gooseneck trailer, you shouldn't have to worry about it taking up too much room in your truck bed. CURT has a gooseneck puck system that works with some mounted toolboxes that still gives you that stable ride. This OEM puck system includes a 2 5/16 ball, 2 safety chain anchors, a rubber hole cover, and a heavy-duty plastic carrying case. The gooseneck ball is machined and forged from a steel alloy for strength and has a chrome-plated finish. The ball is really simple to install. Lift the lever up, make a quarter turn, simply drop into the hole, turn it back, lock it into place, and there you go. The patented design allows for a safer and more secure connection between truck and trailer. Speaking of keeping you safe on the road, the cast steel safety chain anchors are a great addition in a backup situation. They are coated in a strong carbide black powder coat finish, and this pairs perfectly with the chrome plating of the gooseneck ball. An included rubber hole covering is great for when you're not pulling your trailer and you need a clear truck bed. The cover will not only keep dirt and debris out of the gooseneck ball hole, but it will keep out weather and help stop corrosion. While your gooseneck kit is not in use, CURT has included a handy carrying case to keep all of the parts together so they aren't scattered around your toolbox or shop. This gooseneck system will fit Chevys, Fords, GMCs, and Nissans that have OEM puck systems. If you want to learn more or find out where to purchase a CURT gooseneck kit just like this, check out the dealer locator in the description below. As always, thanks for hanging out, and we'll see you next time with Keys to Ride.